The Rexing V2 Dual Camera Dashcam. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Rexing V2 Dashcam, which features dual cameras and have ultra-wide lenses. I'll go over some specs, features, and provide sample footage. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user manual, a USB cable, a 12-foot car power adapter, a 3M mount, and a plastic trim tool for running the cables, and also a suction cup mount depending on your mounting preferences. And just to go over some brief specs, it has dual HD cameras capable of 1080p. It's capable of 2160p UHD on a single channel. It has a 170-degree viewing angle for both of the cameras, Wi-Fi connection, 2.4-inch LCD display, and an optional GPS logger. The dashcam is a little bit larger than your typical cameras. It is plastic all around and you can see the nice display and large buttons. On the bottom you have the dual cameras that can rotate and easily be adjusted to your desired angle. On the top of the camera you'll find the on and off button, and to the left of the screen you have the screen button, which will allow you to toggle the display, the menu button, the navigation up and record button, and the rear camera. And on the right side of the screen you have the OK and lock button, the mode button from toggling from video to photo, and the microphone mute and unmute and down navigation button, and also the front camera on the bottom. To the left of the buttons, on the side you will find the GPS port, the HDMI port, and the micro SD card slot, which can take a max of 256 gig. This does not come with a card. And on the other side, to the right of the buttons, you'll find the reset button, the AV out, and the USB charging port. And here you can see how easy it is to adjust the cameras. On the back you have the mounting slot for the 3M adhesive mount or the suction cup mount. It's just a matter of sliding into place and it feels very secure. The dashcam can be managed and controlled via an app. You can download the Rexing Connect app. Once the app is launched, it's just a matter of holding down the screen button on the left side until you see the Wi-Fi network and password, which then will allow you to connect with your mobile device. The app is pretty straightforward with the controls, and you also have the ability to download and access your recorded media. Going through the menu is simple and intuitive. You can toggle the display from just the front, or having just the back, or having both of the displays at the same time. The video menu options have the resolution, loop recording, WDR, exposure, audio, date stamp, gravity sensing, and plate number. I'm not going to go through each one as it's pretty straightforward. The general settings have date and time, auto power off, sound, language, format, default settings, and version. And here you can see how easy it is to toggle the microphone along with the video and photo modes. I'm using the suction cup mount and have it at a temporary location for demonstration purposes. So let's see some sample footage. Here are some daytime footage, and you can see it's very clear and smooth. I'm very impressed with the quality of the video. And here are some footage just from the rear camera. Again, very clear and smooth all around. You can definitely read license plates and signs with no issues. Now for the nighttime footage. The front-facing camera is clear as well and very smooth. When it comes to the rear-facing camera, this is where I think it fell short on the design. I wish they could have included infrared. It will work okay when you are driving on streets that are well illuminated, and it will provide decent lighting inside. But driving through dark streets such as neighborhood streets, without the street lamps, it will practically be dark. So with that said, the V2 in my opinion is a solid dash cam and can be a good option for rideshare drivers or just your regular consumers who want peace of mind. It's not perfect by any means, but it does deliver on the video quality. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.